Hello traders, investors, and crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel where we deliver deep dive analyses, hot news, reliable projections about the blockchain universe, Web3, and digital money trends. Today we're diving into one of the market's biggest alerts. Shiba Inu is in free fall and could hit $0.0001000 in the coming weeks, according to technical analysis. Meanwhile, projects like the SHIB token are gaining traction, offering innovative alternatives. Let's explore SHIB's fundamentals, risk signals, and how to seize opportunities amid the chaos. Shiba Inu's downward trend. Why the asset is vulnerable. Shiba Inu has maintained an illusory stability over the past 24 hours, fluctuating just 0.1% per CoinGecko data. However, its weekly performance reveals a more complex narrative. An 8% decline, and daily volume plummeting 20%, signaling weakening momentum in the bear market. Since May 23rd, SHIB has been in a clear downtrend, forming a peak at $0.0001155, a level below its previous high. It's confirming a bearish higher highs and lower lows pattern. Today, the memecoin trades at $0.0001115, 25% drop since May, and is nearing critical support at $0.0001, the lowest since April 9th. This dynamic reflects the fragility of the memecoin sector, where assets lacking clear utility face selling pressure during FUD. Technical analysis reinforces the bearish outlook. On the 4-hour chart, the 9 and 21 period EMAs have formed a death cross, historically preceding further 10 to 15% declines. Additionally, the RSI remains below 50, indicating seller dominance, while the ADX has risen to 40, proving the downtrend is strengthening. Although the Chaikin money flow is slightly positive, it's insufficient to counteract selling pressure, especially with spot BTC ETFs absorbing $1.1 billion in institutional capital last week. The contrast is stark. While BTC and ETH benefit from regulated liquidity, projects like SHIB face massive sell-offs. The macroeconomic context adds weight. Technical indicators. How Bollinger Bands signal a temporary relief. Despite the bleak outlook, Bollinger Bands reveal a chance for short-term recovery. Is trading at the lower band, testing support at $0.0001115, and could rebound to the middle band or upper band in the coming days. This mean reversion pattern occurs when oversold assets attract arbitrage traders, even in bearish markets. However, the rebound would likely be limited. Its resistance at $0.0001170 remains under seller control, and failure to breach this level would reopen the path to $0.0000100. The MACD shows a faint bullish signal as the blue line nears the signal line, but the lack of volume $1.2 billion withdrawn from DEXs since Israel-Iran tensions suggests any recovery would be temporary. Regulatory risks also loom. The US SEC is intensifying scrutiny of tokens with hidden mint functions, a flaw that impacted Snorterbot and Fartcoin. For SHIB, the absence of technical upgrades since its 2021 launch like real-world asset, tokenization or DeFi integration reduces its resilience. Projects like BTC Bull Token and Virtual Protocol, which offer utility beyond speculation, are capitalizing on this shift, drawing capital away from SHIB. SHIB token. The new bet in AI and decentralized subscriptions. While SHIB struggles to hold support, the SHIB token has emerged as a promising alternative. Launched in June 2024 as an Ethereum Layer 2 project, SHIB proposes an AI-driven subscription platform connecting content creators and fans. By April 2025, over 2,000 influencers had joined the protocol, aiming for a 250 million global user base by 2026. $subbed is used for payments, subscriptions, and rewards, with staking offering 20% APY during pre-sale. This creates a sustainable appreciation model. Unlike pure memecoins like SHIB, its token burn mechanism and integration with Ondo Finance for stablecoin passive income reinforce deflationary dynamics. Additionally, the project announced partnerships with Coinbase and Chainlink, boosting credibility in a skeptical market. For traders, $subbed offers a solid technical setup. The token trades at $0.000 for $5, with daily volume at $80 million and Uniswap liquidity rising 12% weekly. Immediate resistance is at $0.0005, a level that, if broken, could push the asset to $0.0006 in weeks. However, a breakdown below $0.0004 would invalidate the bullish case, dragging the price to $0.00035. SHIB versus SUBBD, utility versus speculation in memecoin evolution. The divergence between SHIB and SUBD highlights a core crypto debate: real utility versus meme-driven speculation. SHIB, launched in 2021, has become synonymous with speculation, with 80% of its supply held by 10,000 wallets per sentiment. In contrast, SUBBD, built with a technical vision and AI integration, has attracted developers and content creators, reducing reliance on hype. Tokenomics further illustrate the gap. SHIB, a quadrillion tokens in supply with 90% on exchanges, enabling easy dumps. SUBBD, supply capped at 100 billion tokens, with 50% allocated to liquidity providers and 30% to developers, ensuring decentralization. Volatility contrasts sharply too. SHIB's VIX spiked to 65%, while SUBBD maintains 32%, similar to Ethereum and Solana, suggests institutional investors are shifting to assets with lower rug pull risks, such as BTC, BULL, and Virtual, which blend memecoins with BTC rewards or decentralized AI integration. Investor strategies: surviving the SHIB crash and leveraging SUBBD's potential. For SHIB holders, risk management is critical. Recommended strategies: stop loss at $0.00001110. Protect gains if SHIB fails to react to $0.001115 support. Take profit at $0.001135. If Bollinger Bands trigger mean reversion, use the bounce to reduce exposure. Hedge with BTCE. Allocate 30 to 40% of your portfolio to spot BTCE ETH ETFs for downside protection. For those seeking new opportunities, SUBBD token offers a safer profile. Buy at $0.0045, with a stop loss at $0.0004. Target $0.0005 to $0.006 in 30 days. Staking at 20% APY, ideal for hodlers aiming to offset losses in volatile altcoins. Diversify into AI and DeFi. Projects like Render and Akash are rising 300 to 500% in 2024, with SUBBD following a similar trajectory. Balancing exposure is key. While SHIB demands caution, SUBBD and tokens like BTC BULL offer leverage with utility. The decision to sell or hold hinges on market reactions to catalysts like the Genius Act and spot BTC ETF expansion in Europe. Conclusion: memecoins in crisis. End of the road or a window of opportunity? The collapse of SHIB and the rise of projects like SUBBD token signal a crypto market shift. During FUD, assets with clear utility and decentralized governance strengthen. While pure memecoins face heavy sell-offs, SHIB, despite its 1,000% surge in 2023, now tests its adaptability amid regulatory pressure and competition from tokens like BTC BULL, which rewards hodlers with BTC. For our channel's audience, the takeaway is clear. SHIB is high risk, but SUBBD represents a bet on AI and infrastructure. If you believe in decentralized AI's potential, share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for real-time updates and join our live streams, where we dive deep into charts, news, and blockchain trends. Remember, crypto investing requires research, discipline, and patience. Bitcoin might be a stellar bet, but always assess your risk profile before acting. Until next time, and may the market treat your trades kindly.